Hi guys! If your document text looks blurry and hard to read, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a quick one-click way to make it sharp, clean, and readable in seconds. Whether it's a document, old photo, or screenshot, this method can all fix. Let's get started. Open HitPaw FotorPea Photo Enhancer. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on the Enhance Photos Now button. Then import your blurry text image here. I am using this hard-to-read image for example. Then click on the Enhancer button. There, you will find a new text enhancement model in the right settings. It is specially optimized for improving text clarity and readability. Select it, and click on Generate. Seconds later, we can see that the text is now very clear and easy to read. Compared with the original image, the text clarity has been improved greatly. And the text writing is correct as well. Very impressive. Here are other examples. If there is text in your documents or photos, this model can fix the blurry text to high quality easily and fast. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.